how to use applock. We're going to open up the Google Play Store, search for applock by SB Soft. We're going to find it on the list right here. We're going to install it. We will tap open. We're going to create a master password. We're going to use a fingerprint that's registered. We're going to tap the plus sign at the bottom. First ones to lock are package installer and settings app. You must do this so that this app cannot be uninstalled by anyone but you. Then we're going to go through the app list, select one of the apps. I'm going to use 7-minute workout, and we're going to tap the plus sign again. It's going to ask you for permissions. We're going to tap OK. Tap on applock on the top and then allow usage tracking. Tap OK again. We're going to use our fingerprint to unlock settings app and then tap allow permission again. Tap OK. Tap allow. These apps have now been locked. Let's test them out. There you go, it's locked. We're going to unlock it with our fingerprint, and there you go.